getting into an excellent state.
Good evening to all of you. See, I have heard so much from Lohidakshan, but he had come to my house and spent a lot of time with me, which made me so happy because when he was a student also, I loved him so much and he was appreciated by all in the school. And his capability is reflected now. And I say, you must become an MC and try not to go back. Okay? So he has stood up through, and that's what I am very proud of him. So in all what he has said, he did not have that much time, but I had given lot of elaborations about my teaching in the school. And at the end, when I have retired, I have gone to Lowry Memorial College, where I never even attended an interview. And the HOD told me, there is no need. So I was taken up in the college for 5 years. And then again to the BTech college here in HAL they have taken. And another evening college and microsis. So I have spent all my retirement age in teaching in the colleges, which I was very proud of. And I say I should have joined the colleges earlier. But I was a bit late. When I have retired only, I was able to go to college. So that is the end of my life, and I have enjoyed my time teaching in the high school, and that was a glorious time for me. And I do not know whether the students, I have made them all feel that they must have had some pain in reading the newspaper and contributing in the different activities, but today they are ever grateful to me. And they come and tell me, Miss, all because of you, I have come out. Even those who are working in foreign countries, they come and tell me the same thing. And so I am very proud to have worked with Mr. K.M. Jacob, who was a very good headmaster, I would say. And I have really enjoyed my life staying as an assistant mistress. Okay, so thank you all. And I am very proud of our students. I cannot forget the students. If the students were not there, there would be no high school. I am telling, so they are the basic requirements for the education. Teachers cannot do anything unless the students are there. What do you say? So, my entire credit goes to the students, and especially those who have come here to really appreciate what the teachers have done. I am very proud of you. And I say to all the groups,